Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technique Triage. So today's topic is specifically going to be bow distribution, and we're going to be looking at bow distribution through one of the twinkle variations from Suzuki Book 1. So if that's what you're learning right now, feel free to follow along in your book. So in this variation, we're going to be looking at variation C. And the rhythm here, you can describe it as strawberry, strawberry, down, pony, up, pony, grasshopper, grasshopper, many of these words. But for today, we're specifically going to be saying grasshopper, 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 long, short, long, short, right? So in this bowing variation, we're going to be specifically looking at how much bow we use for each note. So for a lot of these notes, we're going to be doing what's called martelé and détaché. So if we go ahead and play on the string, if we have pinky houses at this stage, we're going to make sure that our pinky rests nicely into the pinky house. The rest of the fingers curve nicely on top. We have a nice loose bow hand, but still firm enough to hold the bow. So we're going to set at about the middle of the bow, and we're going to go a little bit slower. So those first two notes we're going to describe, or that first note we're going to describe as martelé. It's going to be a nice strong bow stroke. And then the next two, since they're 16th notes, they're going to use a lot less bow than our 8th note. So we're going to keep those nice and connected out at the tip. And then the same thing, martelé. So if you have your violin out, feel free to follow along with me. We're going to go on the A string and E string, and we're going to go back and forth using this bow stroke. And when we cross over the string, we need to make sure that we're playing the same style, the same bow stroke. Everything stays the same, except now we're on the E string. So let's go back and forth between the A and the E string, doing one cycle of each bow on each, like this. Now, when we put it into context, in the actual twinkle variation, all that bowing needs to transfer over, it needs to be the same. So when we go from the E string to the A string, just like the other twinkle variations, we need to make sure that we're plopping our left hand down and all of our fingers move together. So when we're going from the E string to the A string, all of our fingers need to move together to make sure we're playing 3 fingers on the A string on time. So just that first part, we're going to take that and we're going to speed it up just a little bit and make sure that our bow distribution stays the same. So about this fast. So now putting all of that together, we're going to play through the entire twinkle variation, making sure that our left hand moves together and that our bow hand stays consistent with this. Grasshopper, 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 grasshopper. And if it helps you to say the rhythm before you want to put it to the bow, do that a couple of times to really feel grasshopper, 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 and really feel how much bow you need to use. So when you're ready, come play with me, and we're going to play through the entire twinkle variation. So 1, 2, ready, and... Thank you for watching.